Hello, my name is Kate Reed and I'm the artist in residence at 3D Experience World, where I work to grow technology and grow kind of the next generations of design. And so here today I have a bunch of different projects showing that are all kind of interspecies collaborations, and they're all kind of digital growth and digital twins of natural processes. So this one right here is actually an example of a shoe that's grown through the process of a mushroom. So I'm able to do this through using Dassault System softwares like XGenerative, which is a parametric design software. And so basically how that works is you go and you design the whole algorithm and design kind of this whole process and system, and then you're able to plug in different things to see what it works with. So in this case, I plugged in a surface and ended up with a shoe. In this case, I plugged in kind of a dome and ended up with this coral-inspired kind of like hat thing. And I have a bunch of different natural growth processes to show you all today, which are all super exciting. So yeah.